Namaste everyone and welcome to Supergrad Cat. Yes, IIT Bombay placement report for 2022-24 batch of the management students is out. And just recently we had heard of this news कि even institutions like IIT Bombay have not been able to place 100% of their students. Please understand कि जो data 36% students unplaced का था, that was for the entire set of students across different domains at IIT Bombay. Today we'll be discussing just the SJM SOM, which is the Shailesh J. Mehta School of Management, which is basically the school for MBA. So IIT Bombay की MBA batch का final placement report is out, and the good news is, as usual, as expected, 100% placements have with some amazing salaries. So let's understand the details with regards to this particular placement report. So these are the key highlights of the batch. इसमें एक important message. Total 115 was the batch size, but उसमें से there is a clear note mentioning saying 112 students participated in the placement process. मतलब तीन students ऐसे थे जिन्होंने opt out कर लिया होगा placement process से, which is fairly understandable. There could be their own reasons of entrepreneurship, their own startup, or they might have their own family business or some other miscellaneous reasons. But understand that this is a fabulous number कि IIT Bombay SJM SOM में there are only 112 students that you would be competing with compared to some of the colleges जहाँ पर 400 500 students का batch size है. So this is a very good batch size, only 112 students, 14% gender diversity, which means non-male. So gender diversity में आज की day and age में the meaning refers to non-male candidates are 14%. So non-male 14% का number है. You have the median CAT percentile requirement of 98.45. So this is a good data that placement report is suggesting. जो batch of 2022-24 है उनका CAT का percentile का median CAT percentile was somewhere in the middle, 98.45 score था. 76% students with WorkX now. That's a huge number. So IIT Bombay clearly, at least for the batch of 22-24, favored a lot of people with WorkX. Only 24% freshers here, and 22 months are the average work experience. This is also a very high number. So clearly indicate कर रहा है कि IIT Bombay का preference for the management batch is for people with work experience. अगर हम कॉर्पोरेट हॉल ऑफ फेम की बात करें, so this refers to the competitions, the case competitions, the inter B school competitions that IIT Bombay students would have participated in and would have won some accolades there. Certifications में there are candidates with CFA level 1, 2, 3, etc. certifications, Google Analytics, SAP, CFI, etc. Similarly, WorkX का split, domain का split और education का split is clearly mentioned, which is not something that we need to get into more details about. Broadly, this was the highlight of the batch. Now let's look at the final placement. So final placements में सबसे key number जो students देखना चाहते हैं वो है average CTC. So average CTC is a whopping 28.01 lakhs. 28 लाख पर एनम का एवरेज सीटीसी है आईटी बॉम्बे का. 100% प्लेसमेंट्स फॉर 112 स्टूडेंट्स हु सैट फॉर द प्लेसमेंट्स. So 28 lakh average is a fabulous number, and the good thing is that they have also shared the median CTC. So median CTC हल्का सा ही कम है, 26.73 lakhs, which is a good number. एकदम perfectly normalized curve में you will have the same value of mean, median and mode. और यहाँ पर हल्का सा skewness है. Median CTC is slightly lesser, which is a good sign. 26.73 is a very good number IIT की batch के लिए. So that is the median CTC. Highest CTC is of 72 lakhs per annum, 72 lakhs. 48 were the different number of recruiting companies. 48 companies participated in the process to offer roles for 112 students. Again, very good numbers. एक बहुत interesting part is 47% is their PPO rate. Now, what do you mean by 47% PPO rate? This has not been explained, but as far as my understanding goes, PPO typically refers to pre-placement offer. तो जब हम pre-placement offer की बात करते हैं तो internship, summer internships जब लगती हैं students की after their first trimester and they get to spend 2 months or 3 months in a particular company doing their internships, companies offer them final placements as well during their internships. So ये जो 47% नंबर है ये काफी अच्छा है अगर हम उस परसेंटेज के हिसाब से सोचें. एंड दिस वाज द पीपीओ एवरेज सीटीसी. जिन बच्चों को डायरेक्टली प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर मिल गया, मतलब फाइनल प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस के लिए बैठना ही नहीं पड़ा, उनका जो एवरेज सीटीसी था दैट वाज 29.97 lakhs. This is the company split in terms of consulting. 12% people went, BFSI 19%, pharma and others, which are miscellaneous companies, 27%, FMCG and FMCD, which is 19%. So FMCG typically आप categorize कर सकते हो in terms of sales and marketing. Pharma and others में miscellaneous operations, marketing सब कुछ रोल आएंगे. यहाँ पर typically finance के रोल्स आएंगे, यहाँ पर consulting है, and यहाँ पर IT and e-commerce. So think of Amazon, Flipkart, ये सारी companies, Microsoft, etc. These will be a part of IT and e-commerce, जिसका percentage is very high, which is 23%. The interesting CTC split because a lot of good candidates would want to understand कि अगर मैं top 25 percentile, and I'm pretty sure you'll be easily able to calculate top 25 percentile of the batch, 112 में से अगर आप 1/4 वाला नंबर ले लो, so that will be roughly around 28. तो अगर आप top 28 students, top 25 approximately मान लो उसमें रहते हो, तो आपका एवरेज सीटीसी जा रहा है 38.29 lakhs. रफली एस्टिमेट करें 40 लाख का आपका एवरेज सीटीसी है फॉर द टॉप 25 स्टूडेंट्स गिवन द बैच साइज ऑफ आईआईटी बॉम्बे इज वेरी लेस. इवन फॉर टॉप 50 परसेंटाइल दिस इज अ फैबुलस नंबर 33.82. और ओवरऑल बैच के लिए तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दैट द एवरेज सीटीसी इज 28 lakhs. So some very good numbers. This particular data has been sourced from the official website of IIT Bombay. So सारा डेटा ऑफिशियल है. सो डोंट गो बाय रूमर्स कि आईआईटी में जाने के बाद प्लेसमेंट्स नहीं है. आईआईटी का ब्रांड बहुत अच्छा नहीं है एमबीए के लिए. दे आर मोर फेमस फॉर बीटेक. तो आईआईटी बॉम्बे से अगर पढ़ाई करनी है तो बीटेक ही अच्छा है, नहीं तो एट बेस्ट एमटेक कर सकते हो. आईआईटी बॉम्बे का हर कोर्स बहुत अच्छा है, एंड स्पेशली व्हेन यू टॉक ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, इट इज हाईली अंडररेटेड बिकॉज there is huge fan following for their BTech course obviously, but that does not mean कि उनके बाकी courses अच्छे नहीं हैं. So if you are someone who has got a call from IIT Bombay, you've converted it and you're confused, please do give consideration for the final convert that you have at IIT Bombay. In fact, all the IITs are fabulous when it comes to their management education as well. And I think that's it from my side with regards to this placement report. If you have any questions, do type in the comments. If you have any queries, confusions, comments, feel free to share with us. I think that's it from my side. I hope that you take IITs also very, very seriously when it comes to taking admissions for their MBA programs. With this, I'll take your leave. Ciao.